In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out with WordPress, sometimes we all need a little do-over. Maybe you've made changes that you're not quite happy with, or you accidentally deleted something important. Don't worry. Elementor's history feature is here to help. Let's begin with the familiar Elementor interface. You've been working on your page, adding widgets, tweaking styles, and editing text to match your vision. As you're making all these modifications, Elementor is busily keeping a record of your actions in the background. Think of it as your personal time machine, allowing you to journey back to previous versions of your design effortlessly. First, focus your attention on the top left corner of the Elementor left toolbar. There, you'll notice the subtle but ever-present Elementor logo, the sleek letter E. Click on this logo, and voila, you open the History panel. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the History panel, you will see two tabs, Actions and Revisions. For today's purpose, we'll concentrate on the Actions tab. This tab displays a chronological list of all the UI events that have transpired during your current session. It's your session's entire lineage, from your initial widget addition to the latest style change. Also included are any text edits and other minute adjustments you've been diligently making. Now here's the truly remarkable part. Say you added a widget that's throwing off your layout, or a style change wasn't quite the improvement you expected. Maybe you want to go back a few steps to experiment with a different design direction. All you need to do is find that specific action in your list. Scan through, and when you spot the exact point you want to return to, simply click on it. Instantly, your page reverts to that previous state. It's like snapping your fingers and returning to a moment when everything was still perfect, or at least a bit closer to it. This feature not only gives you peace of mind, but also the freedom to experiment more boldly with your design choices, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on. So don't hesitate to take creative risks. Elementor has your back. And there you have it, a seamless way to roll back changes in Elementor. With this powerful history feature at your disposal, you can confidently tackle your design challenges, free from fear of making irreversible mistakes. Keep experimenting, keep designing, and remember that creativity is often a journey of trial and error. See you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore the tools that make Elementor such a fantastic resource for web design